1952 Fordson ice cream van. What can you say? It's a work of art. It's just unbelievable. What a beautiful machine. How old is it?
1952.
And running all right?
Yeah, lovely, yeah.
Chances are you'll never see the like again.
So it's an absolute classic, and it's the only one. You know, the younger generations have probably never seen anything like it, so it's going to attract attention, and hopefully that'll encourage people to buy an ice cream.
Can I get a last stop, please?
Last stop, absolutely. Thank you.
Very much.
In Thornton-le-Dale, a vintage van has turned up that's whipping up a fair bit of excitement. It's a 1952 Fordson, and it's been brought all the way from Suffolk by veteran ice cream man Gary Sutton.
Well, I mean, I've had it a good 10 years, and what it was, I bought a Bedford CF off a Julian D'Agostino, and when I went there to pick it up, I just said to him, have you got any old ice cream vans or anything? He said, no, I haven't. He said, I've got my mum's van. It's in the lock-up in the town. It's been there since 1978. I couldn't believe it when I see it. And obviously he sold it to me, and then got around to it and started doing it up. And because he was a good man to have a deal with when I bought it, I thought tribute to him and his family, kept the same name, and I put his mum's name back on the bonnet.
When did you start selling
the ice cream? When I was 12, a long time ago. 65 Friday, don't want to do it no more. Had enough. I've been on my own 45 years now, so I'm a bit tired. It's long enough, isn't it?
Now then, mate. Good to see you. Thanks for coming up.
Yes, right, no problem.
Lovely bit of kit.
Lovely,
wow, what a beautiful machine. How old is it?
1952.
And running all right?
Yeah, lovely, yeah.
Never worked it?
No, never.
Chances are you'll never see the like again. Right model, right motor, dead right, and quite usable. I mean, you can do like 15, 20 mile in that quite comfortably to your site, do your day's business and that, and drive back. It's the sort of motor you can do that in. Yeah. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. So.
I love it to bits. Thanks for coming.
That's right, no problem.
Brilliant
nice
job,
to see you
mate.
again. You're all right.
Super
Good
job,
man.
yeah.
Good man.
Derek is still all doolally about Gary's ice cream van.
To die for, isn't it? Absolutely superb. Blue and white tiles, as it should be. Absolutely lovely. I think it's great. I know it's a lot of money, but not only do you fall for something like this, but when you start thinking about it, you can make money out of the bloody thing, can't you? If you work it, you'll get your money back in 2 years. Yeah. Well, good investment, isn't it? It's all very well buying an E-Type, isn't it? 65 grand. Might be worth 65 grand next year, might be worth 55, might be worth 75. This is guaranteed to make you 25 grand a year plus, isn't it? Guaranteed. Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, Fordson on there as well, right badge, enamel, still in lovely condition. The motor's probably worth 30 grand. How many bidders there would be, how many buyers, I'm not over sure. I think it stands a very good chance because it's a money-making machine. If you can't buy this and make money out of it, you want your arse kicked because you cannot go wrong. Everyone's going to want to buy an ice cream from it, aren't they? You know, standing here, licking it with a picture in front of it. Big business, son. If I'd got more time, I'd be buying it off them, I'll tell you now, because I could make money out of this. And I don't mind doing ice cream or anything like that. I mean, I'll do anything, clean windows, whatever it might be. If there's money in it, I'll have a go at it. I could make money out of this, but I can't do everything, can I? So, money-making machine.
Oh, this is what you want, look. A Fordson ice cream van. We've got some ice creams on a Sunday with that.
Oh, I'd love to. Oh, we went to Saltburn, ice cream van on the top. How much were your ice creams in Saltburn?
To be fair, it was funny because some old boy had just been and got a pair and he walked off with these tiny little ice creams. And when I said, oh, how much were them that he just had? She said, £2.50 each, weren't they? I said, you can keep them, love, you're all right. I'll be giving £2.50 for the smallest ice cream in Yorkshire. She should have been wearing a mask, shouldn't she?
1952 Fordson ice cream van. What can you say? It's a work of art. It's just one of them vehicles. It's just unbelievable. I really think that is the best in the country. It is fantastic. Can't speak highly enough of it. Got some bids with me here now, 20, 20,000, 20,500, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23. If you can't make money out of that, lads, I don't know what you're going to do. 23,500. No one could resist coming and buying an ice cream out of that motor. 24, 24.5, 24.5, 25, 25,000, 25.5. Are you all done? You sure? I'm going to sell it provisionally, 25,500 for the first, second, third and last time. Provisional call, 25.5.
The van's off to Scotland, bought by an ice cream company for the equivalent of almost 8,099s. It's going to have to work some.
We're an impulse product, ice cream, you know, you have to be seen. You don't go to an event thinking about an ice cream all day unless you see a van sitting there. Absolutely, no doubt about it. It'll attract people and it'll certainly pay its way, I'm sure.
Scotland's chock full of eye-catching history, and in some of the most prominent, you're likely to find Gary Horn dishing out ice creams. His company was started in the 1930s. He now has a state-of-the-art fleet of vans, but the newest is of an earlier vintage. It's the 1952 Fordson.
It's a beauty, isn't it? It is. It's an absolute classic, but and it's the only one. You know, you're not getting another one. However, I've had to do a wee bit of work to it just to make it not so much more modern, but make it workable because it has to earn its keep. You know, it's not here for show. It's not going to a museum. Yeah, I thought it wasn't as cheap, and we've spent a few quid on it as well. So yeah, we need something that's going to work. Reliability is very important for us. We've upgraded the sink, although it's the old one. We've just put new gubbins in it, you know, bits and bobs to make it hot water and stuff. It's a brand new freezer. It's a retro freezer, so it looks like it's of its vintage age, so which is great.
Cost is, of course, relative. Compared to modern vans, Gary might have got himself a bargain.
The one behind you, directly behind that's a 5-ton Mercedes Sprinter medium wheelbase. It runs on a Euro 6 to get there, but it's environmental friendly, zero emissions. One that does, it's run off lithium-ion technology and solar power. You don't get much change of 200,000 for one of them. Yeah, it's a lot of cones, right? Mm.
Having a pokey hat is something of a tradition in Scotland. An ice cream cone seems to be a bigger treat here than anywhere else, and Gary was hooked from an early age.
I've been working on an ice cream van since I was 12. You know what it was? I liked the sound of the tune. Now I can't stand the sound of the tune, but anyway, there you go, yeah. And I followed it around the streets just to listen to the tune, and eventually the chap let me in, but I wasn't interested in school. You know, I wasn't very good at reading or writing, but I was pretty clever at arithmetic, simple arithmetic, and if I could count, you could get a job in an ice cream van, so that's where it started. Drives well, for sure, pretty good, and it was actually quite comfortable to drive, you know. Yeah, I don't think I think now there's nothing we need to do to it. Aye, it's, yeah, you've got to be tough to want to sell ice cream in Scotland. The weather is a problem for us. Our vans have got to stand out for sure, and I think ours does. This one here will certainly do the same job. You know, the younger generations have probably never seen anything like it, so it's going to attract attention, and hopefully that'll encourage people to buy an ice cream. Yes, sir, what can I get you?
Can I get a last stop, please?
Last stop, absolutely. The concept of ice cream hasn't changed in all the years that they've been selling ice cream from a mobile. You know, going back to the 50s with this here, it's a guy driving a van, getting to where he wants to go, he stops, he opens a window and he sells an ice cream out to the customer. Exact same today, just the technology's changed, that's for sure.